Struggle with English in real life? Let's fix that today, with easy conversations you can use. Hello, is this Green Valley Clinic?
Yes, this is Green Valley Clinic. How can I help you today?
I'd like to book an appointment with a doctor, please. I haven't been feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what kind of symptoms you are having?
I have a sore throat, a headache, and I feel tired all the time.
I understand. Let me check our schedule. We have an opening with Dr. Patel tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Will that work for you?
Yes, tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. is good.
Great. May I have your full name and contact number, please?
My full name is Emma Lee, and my phone number is 5557892.
Thank you, Emma. You are booked for tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. with Dr. Patel. Please arrive 10 minutes early and bring your ID.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care and see you tomorrow.
Hi, do you take walk-in customers, or do I need to make an appointment first?
Hi there. We usually take appointments, but we can accept walk-ins if we are not too busy. What service do you need today?
I need a haircut. Just a simple trim, nothing fancy.
Okay, let me check our schedule. You're in luck. We have a free slot in 30 minutes. Can you wait?
Yes, that's perfect. I don't mind waiting.
Wonderful. You can take a seat and have some water while you wait. I'll call you when I'm ready.
Thank you so much. This is my first time here.
Welcome. I hope you enjoy the service.
Hello, I'd like to book a haircut appointment for this weekend.
Sure, we can help with that. Do you have a preferred day and time?
Do you have anything available on Saturday afternoon?
Let me check. Yes, we have a 2:30 p.m. slot with Olivia. Does that work for you?
Yes, 2:30 p.m. is perfect.
Great. May I have your name, please?
My name is Emma Lee.
All right, Emma. You're booked for Saturday at 2:30 p.m. with Olivia. Please arrive on time.
Thank you. Do I need to bring anything?
No, just yourself. See you on Saturday.
Good morning. I need to book an appointment for a dental checkup.
Good morning. Certainly. What seems to be the problem?
I have a bit of tooth pain. I think I need a checkup.
I see. Let me check for availability. We have an opening today at 4 p.m. with Dr. Max.
Today at 4 p.m. sounds great.
All right. What is your name?
Emily.
Okay, Emma. You are scheduled for 4 p.m. with Dr. Max. Please arrive a few minutes early.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Patel tomorrow, but I need to reschedule it.
No problem. What time was your appointment?
It was at 10:30 a.m.
Let me see. We can move it to Friday at 11 a.m. Would that be okay for you?
Yes, Friday at 11 a.m. is fine.
Great. I have rescheduled your appointment. You are now booked for Friday at 11 a.m.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hi, I'd like to book an appointment for an eye exam.
Sure. Do you wear glasses or contact lenses?
I wear glasses, but I think my vision has changed.
Okay. We have an opening next Monday at 3 p.m. with Dr. Kelly.
That sounds good. Please book that for me.
You're booked for Monday at 3 p.m. Please bring your glasses with you.
I will. Thank you. Hello, I have an appointment tomorrow, but I need to cancel it.
I'm sorry to hear that. May I have your name and time of the appointment?
My name is Emily. The appointment is at 3 p.m.
Got it. I've canceled your appointment. Would you like to reschedule?
Not right now. I'll call back later.
All right. Take care.
Hi, I'd like to book a massage appointment.
Sure. What kind of massage would you like?
Just a relaxing full body massage.
We have availability on Thursday at 5 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, Thursday at 5 p.m. is fine.
You're booked. Please arrive 15 minutes early.
Thank you. Hello, I'd like to book a grooming appointment for my dog.
Of course. What kind of dog do you have?
A small poodle. His name is Max.
We have space on Friday at 10 a.m. Will that work?
Yes, perfect.
Great. Max is booked for grooming on Friday at 10 a.m.
Good morning. I'd like to book a car service appointment.
Sure. What service do you need?
Just an oil change and general checkup.
We can book you for Wednesday at 9 a.m.
That works. Thank you.
You're all set.
Hi, I'd like to schedule a session with an English tutor.
Sure. Are you free in the evenings or mornings?
Evenings are better for me.
How about Wednesday at 7 p.m.?
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, I received a call for an interview. I'd like to confirm the time.
Yes, Emma. We have you scheduled for Thursday at 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you. I'll be there on time.
Please bring a copy of your resume.
I will. Thanks again. Hi, I want to book a session with a personal trainer.
No problem. What time works for you?
Morning is best for me.
We have 8 a.m. available tomorrow.
Great. Book me for that time.
Done. See you tomorrow.
Hello, I'd like to schedule a photo shoot.
Sure. What type of session is it?
A family portrait.
How about Saturday at 11 a.m.?
That sounds good. Please book it.
You're all set.
Good afternoon. I'd like to schedule a consultation with a lawyer.
Certainly. What is the consultation about?
It's about a rental agreement issue.
We can book you for Monday at 2 p.m.
That works for me. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you on Monday.
Thank you for watching. Did you enjoy learning English with me today? Please click like if this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English conversations. And tell us in the comments, what appointment did you learn today? Let's keep learning English together. See you in the next video.